بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, my all dear students. Hope you all are fine. Well, my dear students, in the last class we were learning about meter, kilometer, the conversion of that. Okay. Well, our chapter is same measurement, but in measurement today we are going to learn time. Yes, today we are going to learn telling time. Well, but first of all, I would like to introduce you something. Well, my dear students, 1 hour is equals to 16 minutes. Here is H I have written. It is a short form of hour. Okay. Well, is equals to 60 minutes. Here is a short form of minute I have written. Okay. Well, and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. SEC, it is a short form of second. Okay. 1 hour is equals to 60 minute. Okay, and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Fine. And let's start to introduce clock. Well, my dear students, in a clock we have two hands. How many hands? Two hands. Two hands. One is long hand and the other is short hand. Okay. Long hand, the name is minute hand. It works for minute. Okay. And short hand works for hour. That's why it says hours hand. Okay. Long, minute. Short, hours. How many hands? Two hands. A clock has two hands. Long hand shows minute and short hand shows hours. Okay. Well, I have told you about how many minutes in 1 hour and how many seconds in 1 minute. Okay. And next thing we have learned about hands of a clock. Okay. Two hands, long and short. Long for minute, short for hours. Fine. One thing, usually you have seen AM and PM. Well, what does it mean? AM means ante-meridiem. It means before noon or midday. But PM means post-meridiem. It means afternoon or midday. Okay? Ante-meridiem means AM. AM means before noon or midday. And PM means afternoon or midday. Okay? Well, let's come to the clock. My dear students, hands are in that one clock usually, and that one clock, this one clock is called analog clock. Okay? This is called analog clock. If a clock has hands, okay, and it shows minute and hours and second also. So this type of clock usually we have at our homes. So this is called analog clock. One thing, analog. You can see the spelling here. I have written two spellings of analog. Both are correct, but the difference is British and American. The first one is the British one and the other is American one. Okay? They both are correct spellings. Well, my dear students, let's come to the clock. How we can tell the time? Let's start to read the table of 5. Do you remember? Well, it's very easy for me to multiply 5. If I multiply 5 with 1, it means 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. Okay. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Okay. And 5 six are 30. Well, 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. And if 5 elevens are 55 and it's 60. As I have told you, these are minutes. Okay. Well, here is shorthand. It shows hours and it tells us minutes. Okay. Well, the hour is 1. Usually in English, whenever we tell the time, we have to tell first minute. Okay. First we have to tell minute, then hour. Supposed to be the short hand is on 1 and the long hand is on 5. I will not say it's 1:25, 1 past 25. I will say 25 past 1. Okay. I have to tell first minute, then hour. The time is, I will write here 25 past 1. Okay. First I have told you the minute, then we have to tell hour. Usually in Urdu we say first hour then minute, but in English we say first minute. Okay. Well, if 1 hour completes, so we say clock, o'clock. Okay. And if half hour complete, we say half hour, half past. Okay. If 1 hour completes, we say o'clock. Supposed to be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It means 1 hour is completed. But half hour, we say half past. Supposed to be half past 6, half past 5. It means the half part of 5 or 6 has passed. Well, but if there is the quarter, this is quarter past. If your clock is on the hand is here on 3, so we say quarter past. Okay. And if it is on 9, it means 45 minutes have passed. So we can say also 45 minutes, either it is past or 2, but we can say also quarter 2. Okay. Quarter 2. Supposed to be there is time. There is a time I have drawn. The short hand is on 2 and the long hand is on 45. So I can say that 45 past 2. I can say it 45 past 2, or I can say quarter to 2. Okay, quarter to 1. Okay, we can say like that. Hope you have got about. That is your analog clock, which I have taught you about. And we have another type of clock which is very simple. That is digital clock. It always shows only the exit digits here. Okay, this is your digital clock. It shows only digits. Okay. Well, my dear students, that was all about your 2 clocks. We have learned about conversion of minutes and hours, hands of clock, what is AM and PM, and also I have taught you about how we can count the minutes. Okay. Well, let's come to exercise. What is our exercise today? Today we will solve exercise on page number 131. Okay, page number is 131 and we will solve exercises number 4 and 5. Well, you have to open your page number 131. Well, this is your copy work, but I have written for you in the book. You can see this is your exercise number 4 and what they are talking about. They are saying write the time in words and in figures. Figure mean digit. Okay. Number 1 is, as I have taught you about the table of 5. So this is on 7. The long hand which shows the minute is on 7, it means it's 35. Okay, 5 sevens are 35 here. And the other words we can say that the short hand is on 1 and the long hand is on 7. We can tell the time in two types. Number one is if they are saying you have to tell in words, so we can say 25 minutes to 2. As I have told you that we have to tell first minutes whenever we tell the time in English. Okay, so 25 minutes to 2. Okay, and here 1:35. This is your figure. You can say also in digital. Okay, other one, number B, quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. And in the figure we can say 3:45. Well, number C, we have 10 minutes to 7. Okay, as I have told you, we have to tell first minute. And we can say also 6:50. Number D, 12 minutes to 5 in words and 4:48 in figure. Number E, 24 minutes past 1. 24 minutes past 1. And in other, like in figure, as they are talking about, we have to tell the time in two types. And the other is 1:24. 1:24. Okay. Here number F, half hour is completed. So we can say half past 1. Okay. In words, we will say half past 1. And in another words or figure, we can say 1:30. Well, that was your exercise number 4 and you have to do in your copy. This is your copy work. Okay. I have solved you to make you understand in your book. Well, we have another exercise, exercise number 5. They have been given us here digital clock. In exercise 4, we have analog clock, and in exercise 5, we have digital clock. And they are saying what time do these digital clocks show? Write your answer in words. Only we have to write in words because digits are available already in digital clock. The first is 17 minutes past 1. Okay. B is 20 minutes to 5. And the C is 22 minutes to 10. Okay. We have two exercises. You all have to do that these both exercises in your copy. Well, we have exercise number 6. In exercise number 6, we have some question and you have to do in your book. This is your book work. Write the time, that is number 1. Number A is 6 minutes earlier than 9:30. So what time will be? The time will be 9:24. You have to write in digits, okay? Number B, half hour later than 10:55. It means 11:25, okay? Well, quarter earlier than 7:30. 7:15. 25 minutes earlier than 6:20. Answer is 5:55. Number E, 30 minutes earlier, okay, than 3:12. It means 2:42. Half hour earlier than 5:15 or quarter past 15. Half hour, it means we will write 4:45. Okay. Well, number G, 11 minutes later than 12:59. 11 minutes, 12:59. So the time is 1:10. Or we can say 10 past 1. Okay. Well, my dear students, we have more exercises you have to complete exercise number 1, 2 and 3. Exercise number 1, 2 is on page number 130 and other exercises are available on page number 131. Exercise number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only exercise number 4 and 5 you have to do in your copy. Okay, and other exercises like exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 6 as I have taught you about, you have to do in your book. Well, hope you have got aboard. We will be continue the topic about time. In the next class, I will teach you more about time. Okay? If you have any confusions, you can message us on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz. Take care.